even more.
p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gainesville, or 12 miles northeast of Bull Shoals, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Norfolk Lake, Gainesville, Bakersfield, South Fork, Brainsville, Lanton, Hardinville, Moody, Tecumseh, Caulfield, Zanoni, Udall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri, Howell and Ozark.